This Python Django tutorial is for both beginners and intermediate level programmers. In this tutorial, we will build this website where it recommends Pink programming community members' tech stack. In other words, this web application predicts and recommends users' programming language. What will we learn during this tutorial? We will train our model from scratch using pandas and scikit-learn machine learning libraries. We install Django and learn how to build application using Django's model, view, and controller. If you are a beginner, it can be stressful to catch up the coding process during the in-person events. So if you are participating in my Python Django in-person events, which is held by Pink programming community, then I highly recommend to clone this project in your local machine, in your local computer, and try it yourself before going to the event. Because during the event, you will have an opportunity to ask my help if necessary. Cloning this Django project and trying it yourself before going to the event is optional. It is just recommended to be productive during the event sessions. In Pink programming events, we will start this Python Django project from scratch anyway. Maybe you are a beginner programmer who really want to learn programming, but you do not know yet where to start, from machine learning, data science, backend, or front-end. Then these Python Django sessions of Pink programming events are for you to discover your ability, to discover what you are good at. As I mentioned, the source code is provided below. If you have questions related to this project, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Now, let's get started.